It was 2014 and because IIT कोचिंग में मेरे मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं आए थे, I was put into this special batch जहाँ पे मेरी तरह बाकी struggling students भी एक साथ बिठाए गए थे. A new teacher walks in and without saying a single word, he starts to write something on the board. सब चुपचाप बैठे just to look what he's typing. If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. So the kid inside of me took this quote so seriously that I started to plan everything in my life. मतलब ऐसा हो गया था कि काम करने से ज्यादा आई यूज्ड टू एंजॉय काम करने की प्लानिंग. तो अब इसमें गलत क्या है? वेल, लेजेंडरी बॉक्सर माइक टायसन once said that everyone has a plan until they get punched in the face. Quickly rewind your life and note down both the most epic moments and the most lowest moments of your life. Did you plan any of them? I am a solo founder, so I have spent a lot of time trying to plan my months, my quarters, my years ahead, only to see them break at the last moment. तो फिर करें क्या? Should we all take business bets blindly? Well, in March 2012, billionaire entrepreneur Paul Graham wrote something that answered this question. He says that don't try to identify a precise point in the future and then ask yourself how to get from here to there. You'll be better off if you operate like Columbus and just head in a general westerly direction. Don't try to construct the future like a building because your current blueprint is almost certainly mistaken. Start with something you know works, and when you expand westward. So as a founder, this is what I do these days to improve my chances of winning, and you can do the same. Number one, inspired by Bezos, I am stubborn on my vision but flexible on the details. I want to build the world's best enterprise AI trainings company. But to get there, I am following real customer feedback rather than just following templates or case studies. Second, I am building a team that learns how to reframe planned failure as feedback and not the end game. Now, this requires a lot of culture setting and it takes a bit of time. Third, I spend a lot of time asking myself, is there a simpler way to do this? Because as an engineer, I love over-engineering. In fact, people who know less often end up achieving things way faster because they do not know that something can be more complicated. Now, if there's someone here who did IIT coaching, comment section में बताना which life lesson do you still remember from those days? Because I still remember